everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here. I'm actually reviewing the Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit palette, and you'll see how I review the palette and everything in the video. I hope you guys enjoy the look, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into it. First, I'm going to take my Morphe M441 brush, take this shade right here. It's called Hobby. And I'm going to take that for my crease transition color. Gosh, I love the freaking mirror on this thing. It's so freaking nice. Blending really nicely. I really like the shade. It's like perfect for a transition shade. Now I'm going to take this shade called Apartment. And I'm going to put it towards the outer V. I'm going to kind of stamp it because I want this to be more intense. To blend that out, I'm going to take the same brush that we took before, the Morphe one. I'm just going to blend that out. I like how these are blending. They're really nice. They're really nice and creamy too. And to cut the crease, I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. And I'm just going to use my Ulta eyeshadow brush. Instead of using that one, I'm going to use my Mary Kay brush that I used last time to cut my crease because it works way better. Okay, now to clean up that concealer a little bit because I kind of got it over here on accident and kind of a little bit over here. The It Cosmetics airbrush eye brush thing, and I'm going to take the shade that we used before, Hobby, and I'm just going to fix that just a little bit. And a little bit of Apartment too. Now I'm going to take this color right here, and it's called Top Story, and I'm going to put that where we did the cut crease, and yeah. To do that, I'm going to take this tapered eyeshadow brush by Bare Minerals. I'm going to spray my brush with the MAC Fix Plus. I think she's right, like if you pat it, it won't look the same if you swiped it. Like, I'm kind of patting and then swiping, if that makes sense. I'm not really patting at all, I'm just swiping. That's so pretty, I love that. And to blend everything out, I'm going to take the same brush that we used before in the beginning, and I'm just going to blend everything. Okay, I'm going to go put on my foundation and finish up my face, and then I'll come back and we can finish up the eyes. So let's finish up the eyes. I'm going to go into the Emily Revolution palette that we're talking about today. I'm going to take my e.l.f. flat eyeliner brush. Looks like that. This color right here, it's called Corduroy, and I'm going to stamp that on my lower lash line, closer into the lash line. I'm literally just stamping the color on because I want this to be really pigmented and be the standout in the eyeshadow. Because we did like really natural up here, and I want it to be like a pop of color, but still look really like cohesive and kind of fallish, but like summery at the same time. Like, this is kind of like a fall transition. I mean, summer transition into fall. This shade is so pretty. I'm going to take my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to buff out that color. And then if we need to, I'm going to dip into that color again, but I probably won't need to. I think I'm just going to buff it out. I'm going to take a little bit of Top Story that we used up here, and I'm going to take that and put it... I'm actually going to spray my brush too, because I really want this to show up. And I'm going to put this more towards the inner corner. I'm just going to stamp it on just to bring it down to the lower lash line from like where we put it up here. I should have been this zoomed up the whole entire time, but I'm lame and I don't know what I'm doing. Now you can kind of see what I'm doing better. I'm just blending those two shades together with the Morphe M507 brush. Just a tad. I don't want to like diffuse this color too much because I still want it to pop. And now I'm going to take this nude eyeliner from NYX. It's called the Always Keeping It Tight eyeliner in the shade Nude. Just looks like this, and I'm just gonna tightline my waterline. And now I'm gonna take this NYX Glide On pencil, the brown shade, and I'm kind of putting it towards the outer V, just to create a little bit more dimension, like really close to my lash line. And now that that's done, I think I'm gonna do my inner corner highlight, and I actually didn't put highlight on my face yet, so I gotta do that yet. For that, I'm gonna take my Becca Moonstone highlight. It's just a trial size because that's all I have, and then I'm going to take my Morphe M510 brush, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. I love this highlight. I I think I mentioned it in my July favorites maybe. Yeah, I think I did. I'm going to take that highlight on my e.l.f. contour brush, and I'm also going to take this Oh Heavens shade right here, and I'm going to pop those two colors into my inner corner. I kind of want to see what Oh Heavens looks like alone. Ooh, that's pretty. I really like this Oh Heavens shade. It's so cute. Love the name too. It's so cute. Goes perfectly with this look. And I'm going to put that color underneath my brow bone right here. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tarte Eyelash Curler. And I'm going to take this L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Fiber Mascara. That's the mascara. For my lip color, I'm going to use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. And I'm just going to apply that to my lips. Hey everyone, this is the look. I really like this lipstick with this look. It like goes perfectly. I'm really obsessed with the look. I love how it turned out. It's so pretty. Like, it looks super natural on top, but like there's like a cute little pop of color, and I think you could totally wear this out, honestly. Like, it's just like a little pop of color, and honestly, like, you can't even see it that much. But yeah, I really like how this look turned out, and I hope you guys recreate the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I totally recommend this palette. It's like only 20 bucks. This is like a really good deal. Honestly, you get this huge mirror, okay? And then you get all these shades, like, and they blend like a dream. Pigmented, creamy, perfect eyeshadow palette. But I totally recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.